Hey guys, back with another install on the Jeep from Desert Does It. This time we're going to be looking at the MOLLE panel that mounts to your roll bar. So first off, what comes in the box?
So the first thing you're going to notice is the detailed instructions. The roll bar triple MOLLE panel comes packaged safely and securely. As we remove the plastic covering, we find a packet with included hardware. And the MOLLE panel itself, made from 6061 aluminum, the MOLLE panel mounts directly to the stock Jeep roll bar. It also comes with a Swedish fish, a nice touch in all the Desert Does It orders. So let's get this installed. After getting the tailgate opened up, you'll first need to remove the plastic trim piece from your roll bar. This piece just clips in so you can easily pull it off. Using the provided blue Loctite, take the flathead 5mm bolt and slide it through the middle countersunk hole in the MOLLE panel. This will thread into the lower threaded insert on the roll bar. Finger tighten to get the bolt started. Take the other provided 5mm cap bolt and thread it through the upper threaded hole on the roll bar. Again, finger tighten to start. Then take your Allen key and tighten both bolts down. And that's it, a super easy install that adds a lot of usable storage to the cargo area. I plan on mounting a fire extinguisher and a small shovel back here. As always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.